Hello there. This is going to be a very special video. In this video, I'm going to convince you and give you 7 reasons why you should pursue digital marketing as a career, or even if you don't want to make digital marketing as a career, why should you learn this skill? Now, some of these reasons I'm going to give you are common and commonly thought of, but some of these reasons are not commonly thought of, and I'm going to tell you from my experience why I think this is a very important skill to learn for almost everyone who is involved with internet in any way. Now, before we jump into our reason number 1, I just want to say a big thank you to the sponsor of this video, which is AppMySite. Using AppMySite, you can easily create an app in few minutes and you don't need to know website coding or app development or spend huge amounts on app development teams. I'm also going to put a link in the description below in which they are going to show you in 18 minutes how you can convert your website into an app. Now, reason number 1 is because digital marketing skills help you to grow your own business. Now, if you are a business owner and your business is anyhow related to internet, you have a single digital touch point with your customers, whether it's your website, whether it's your social media, or any digital touch point. To learn digital marketing is important for you. Now, if you're a business owner, it's not important that you run your own campaigns or create your digital marketing strategy, but it helps you to validate if you're working with a freelancer or an agency. It helps you to validate if they are doing their best to make sure your business grows. It's not just about validating their approach, the campaign executions. You also, with digital marketing skills, you need to know about the different tools that can really help you grow your business. For example, I have this video here which these are 30 tools which every business owner should know and leverage to grow their business. Now, there are a lot of tools which can help you as a business owner. So to understand those tools and how they work, you need to understand digital marketing basics. Now, for example, there are tools where you can literally know that for example, if you are a B2B company, you can literally know that the people who are buying your software or any kind of product or service on your website, you can know what companies are they working for. So it will help you to understand that what companies you should focus or give you a better understanding of the persona of your prospect clients. Now, the second reason we are going to talk about is being a digital nomad. Now, it's a dream of everyone in these days to be a digital nomad, to be able to work from anywhere in the world. Now, probably digital marketing is one of the fields where you can literally achieve that goal or dream if you have. All you need is a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection and you are done. You can literally work from anywhere in the world. Now, not just this, you can literally work for any client in the world. Now, for example, if you are based in UAE or Dubai, you can have a client in the US and you can easily work for them because digital marketing is a global skill. So it is the same everywhere you go, with some minor changes, with some exceptions. Probably if you're going to China, you need to know WeChat advertising. If you're going to Russia, you need to know some platforms there. But overall, it's a global skill. You can work from anywhere and you can work for anyone, anywhere in the world. And this is true if whether you work for an agency, whether you are a freelancer or you work for a client. All you need is a laptop and a Wi-Fi. Now, the third reason is there are a lot of career options available within digital marketing which can suit your taste. For example, if you have digital marketing skills, one, you can own a business. Now, apart from that, if you want to work for others, you can work on a client side for a product company where you actually own and you just have to coordinate with different stakeholders to grow your business of the company you're working with. On the other hand, if you are good at consulting businesses, you are good at account management, you can work on service providing industry side, for example, a marketing agency, because these two are so different in terms of how you can, the work culture and the environment. I have this video here which you can go through where I discuss benefits and pros and cons of working for a digital marketing agency or a client side. But basically, they are very different. So depending on your taste, if you have these skills, you can work on a client side, you can work on an agency. Apart from this, if you just don't want to work full-time for any of these types of companies, you can work on for your own. You can be a freelancer and work on only projects that interest you. Now, this is one good thing which is not available in a lot of career and industries. Now, the fourth reason is whether you work for a marketing agency or you work on a client side. The fourth reason to learn digital marketing is if you want to pursue career in this field, digital marketing is very vast. I mean, there are a lot of specialties where you can just be specialized in one of those, and each of them are so different that it literally can match anybody's taste depending on what kind of person you are and what are your work ethics, how do you want to work. For an example, if you are a storyteller, you can go for content creation. Agencies these days have meme experts. Those people just create memes. Now, let's say, for example, you are a person who likes to work slowly and long-term strategies. You can go for SEO specialization. Now, if you are someone who is interested in human psychology, who wants quick results, you can go for paid media, any kind of paid media specialization. Now, if you are someone, let's say, who is creative, you can go for a creative direction, you can go for art direction. Now, the options within digital marketing are endless. Now, if you are someone who wants to work on, who is interested to understand business perspectives and provide a business perspective, you can go for a digital marketing strategy side. And let's say you are a numbers geek, you are into numbers. Now, you can be in BI, reporting, you can be in analytics teams. The options are really endless. Now, on top of this, it's not about being specialized in one field. The good thing about digital marketing is, let's say you are a specialized expert in BI and reporting, and later you realize that you are interested in paid media. Within digital marketing, it's very easy to switch because any field you go to, they are somehow related, and all of them follow an overarching strategy which you always are involved in, whether you work in an agency or a client side. So that's one more reason that you should learn digital marketing skills. Now, the next reason, the fifth reason, is it's a skill-driven industry. What it means is, I personally know a lot of people who have never been to a college or a university, and they are doing very good. They're really doing good in terms of their career. In most of the cases, companies won't really ask you for your university degree or college degree if you are very good at what you do. I mean, if you are an expert in digital marketing, in any skill, that's what companies look for. It's a skill-driven industry, and people usually do not really care about your educational background. Now, if you're someone who does not have a university degree or a college degree and is not looking forward to have one, digital marketing is a field where you can really excel, and it will not have an impact. Not having a degree will not really have an impact on your career path and your progression if you're doing good and working hard. Now, this leads us to our next reason, which is digital marketing is easy. If you are an expert or you have done some good work, it's very easy to showcase and prove your mettle. Now, for example, if you're a freelancer and you go to a client and you pitch for a business, now it's very easy for you to show them the results. You literally show them a screenshot or your UI of your Google Ads, DV360, or anywhere where you have worked, and you can literally show them tangible metrics like return on ad spend, cost per lead. It's very easy to prove. Now, that really helps if you're looking forward to create a business, be a freelancer, start an agency. It really helps you to win businesses and not care about anything else as far as you have some results to show. Now, on top of this, the good thing about digital marketing is you are really valued as a freelancer or as a team member or a team within a company, because you have direct impact on the business if the business is anyhow related to internet and digital advertising. Now, also, even if you join a company, you can literally show a difference in the performance from day one. They don't have to wait for months and years to understand how valuable you are. If you're good at something within digital marketing industry, you can literally show results from day one. except maybe SEO, which takes a longer duration to show results. But overall, this is one more good thing about digital marketing skills, and one more reason that why you should pursue this field or learn digital marketing. Now, this leads us to our last point, but it's probably one of the most important points. If you are like me, you have always been thinking of creating a business, owning a business. Now, digital marketing makes it very easy to create or own a business, and which you can create with minimal investment. You literally can start a business without any investment. Now, we briefly touched upon being a freelancer or a digital nomad, but when we look at owning or creating a business using digital marketing skills, it's very easy. I can give you a lot of examples how you can do that. You can create a virtual agency, and there are platforms like Fiverr, there are platforms like Upwork, where you can register as an agency for free and you can take projects. Now, as an agency, you cannot work alone. As a freelancer, you obviously need to talk to many people of different expertise so that you kind of create a team, someone who can create strategies, someone who can run Google ads, someone who can run Facebook ads, someone who can do graphic designing. So if you know such people, you can collaborate and create an agency and take projects, and you can scale it, because you can literally have clients from anywhere in the world. There is no limit how much scale you can put in your business. Obviously, you will have to follow certain business ethics, like how your reviews are, the clients you have worked on, what kind of reviews, what kind of results you generated for them, but there is no scale if you do it properly. Now, apart from that, you can literally, because if you are a digital marketing expert, for you it should not be an issue to create a website, or there are a lot of websites where you can sell digital products. For example, you can just create media plan templates. You can create strategy templates for every industry. Let's say strategy for hospitality industry, for restaurants. You can sell these digital products online, and you can use your skills to even maybe push from SEO or digital marketing paid media to generate these positive ROAS and sell these products. Now, it doesn't even stop here. I mean, digital marketing is such an in-demand skill right now. You can literally create training content around any digital marketing skill and sell those courses as well. I see a lot of people doing that as well across the world. If you are a digital marketer and you are expert in, let's say, drop shipping, you are expert in FBA, you are expert in affiliate marketing, you can literally use those skills to just create your own business, and I mean, create a scalable business where there is no limit how much money you can make. Because if you can do it for others, why not for yourself, obviously? But it's just, you need to have that spark to own a business or to create a business. Now, not just this, I mean, I'm telling you this, if you are a digital marketer, you might have encountered this before as well. If you are good at what you're doing, you will get a lot of offers from startups, and they will give you a stake in their company, because they know once you are a partner or you have a stake, you will obviously do your best to grow your business. And if that business is dependent on internet, which almost every business is, now they are in a win-win. Both of you are in a win-win situation. In my personal experience as well, I have got a lot of options in my career where people asked me, okay, we'll give you a stake in our company, and you have to work as a you have to handle everything digital marketing. Now, I know a lot of people who got these kind of offers, because when you are in consulting business, you do consulting for clients. When they see that difference and they realize that you have a lot of potential, but you cannot, obviously, I mean, small companies, they cannot pay you for your consulting for a lot of hours or such. So they offer you, I mean, I got such offers as well. So it even makes it easier. But all this said, I mean, everything comes with a cost. I mean, for digital marketing, it has so many benefits to learn this skill or pursue career in this industry, but it has some problems as well. One of the biggest, as per me, is because it always keeps you on toes. You have to always be ready for learning. You don't just have to learn anything new or updates in the platforms, but you have to keep learning the trends, the user behavior, the changes in user behavior, and the psychology probably as well, if you want to like dig deeper. That is one thing I think that might be a problem for someone. Otherwise, these are like 7 reasons I think everyone should learn digital marketing skills or pursue this career. Now, let me know if I missed on something. If you think that there are other benefits, let me know in the comments. That's all for this video. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.